that everyone is shifting to Bangalore recently for job, right? I know moving to a new city, getting a new job is all fun, but the real fun comes when it comes to house hunting. If you've ever stayed in PG, I'm pretty sure you have dealt with cold food, broken geyser, bad Wi-Fi, bad roommates, and whatnot. But I have found something special for you. Let me show you. So, this PG which I am going to show you right now has got everything sorted for it. It has got all the facilities that you need. It has got home cooked meal, so ghar ka khana you won't be missing obviously. It has got biometric systems, security, spacious room, fully ventilated room, fully furnished room, and also gaming area. And the best part, that is the tech park is just nearby. So let's check it out one by one. So here you're getting a biometric system over here. So no random person can enter without your permission. So this is the reception area. You can see the interior and everything about the reception is so premium. It's giving me that 5-star vibes. The lights over here, the decoration over here, the wall decor, it's so premium. So the first impression matters a lot, I know, and this impression will be like wow. Moving forward, let me show you the room where you are going to stay. Fully furnished room, 2 well-lit interiors, ample amount of storage and proper security. Everything is provided over here. I will show you one by one what all things you're getting. So, first you have this room. This is a sharing room, double sharing room. If you want a single sharing room, triple sharing, double sharing, you will get everything. So, you can see there are 2 separate beds over here. Also, there are 2 separate tables over here, side table kind of thing. One is over there and one is over here. There is also charging point over here. This is one, this is another one. We have 2 cool frames which is looking very cool for this room. I just love how pretty is this curtain over here. You have proper ventilation over here. There is a big window available, you can see. Also, we have a modular kitchen. You can cook your own meal. You will also get breakfast, lunch, dinner and evening snacks over here. But just in case if you want to make something of your own, here is a setup for you. Again, the ventilation is also available over here. You also have a net over here. Moving forward, we have TV cabinet right over there which comes with storage. You can keep speaker, you can keep few home decor items, the set-top box, everything. The chair is also provided for you. Full size wardrobe is there. This wardrobe is spacious enough to store everything. You can see. Comes with a locker to keep your things, valuable things. So there are 2 separate spaces for 2 of your friends. You can see over here, one is this side and one is this side. Also have storage up over there. So this wardrobe is really big. Then moving forward to the washroom. I just love how this washroom is giving me exactly hotel-like vibes. This mirror, especially this part, you can see all this brown thing is looking really good and the walls, the tiles and all is really good. The quality over here, it's of Jaguar actually and it's really premium quality as you know. You're getting a geyser. Also, you're getting things to keep your shampoo and all over here and also getting things to keep clothes and all hanging. Now that I have shown you double sharing room, let me show you single room. So, roommate के साथ रहना है या फिर privacy maintain करना है? The choice is yours. We have all the options available for you. Let's check this out. So, this is a private room. It's a king size bed is available. You also have side tables over there. Charging point is right there. I love this curtain. They have this texture over here and it's giving very premium vibes. Now you can see the kitchen over here. There's a cute modular kitchen over there. We will get, of course you will get breakfast, lunch, dinner, evening snacks, everything over here. But just in case if you want to cook some midnight meal or some Maggi, if you want to, then you can cook it over here. The kitchen is ready for you. The ventilation is also over here. So the cooking smell will go out. So we have a full size wardrobe available for you along with mirror attached. The locker is there to keep your precious things inside. The storage is over there. the TV cabinet is over here along with storage. You can keep set-top box. Just in case if you want to play PS5, you can keep it over here. You can keep speaker, you can keep home decor things. They provide a chair also. Now we have the washroom over here. Again the washroom, I just love this brown thing. The combination of the style is looking really good and giving like hotel-like vibes over here. You have geyser available, shower. The quality of this, they use Jaguar, which is a premium quality. Again, you can hang your clothes here, and to keep your shampoo and everything stored, you have this space over here. So this was private room for you to maintain your privacy. So if you like this room, don't forget to WhatsApp us in this given number. You can just WhatsApp or call us anytime and we will share all the details that you need. Now let's talk about the heart of any PG, that is the common area. Because let's be real, PG is not just about studying and sleeping. We also need some entertainment in our life, right? So we also have a foosball over here. You can play with your friends. There's a football over here. It's a leg football, जो कि मैं हमेशा हार जाती हूँ. You can see the buildings are under construction. Get a nice view from here. You have the sitting spaces over here. It's well decorated. You have this grass material over here. The best part about this PG is you have all the tech companies right next to your PG, which is just in a walking distance. You can see from the dining space itself. So over here is again a space. The laundry services are over there. I mean, the washing machine is also available over here to wash your dirty clothes. So don't need to worry about washing your clothes on your own. It's all sorted over here in Ghar Pe. So the dining space is right over there. You will get breakfast, lunch, dinner. Everything is provided. It's a totally in-house cook, so we don't order online and give it to you because we take care of your health. The food over there is very fresh and it's hygienic. It's very tasty also. Let's check the dining space. These things are over here. You have a microwave and induction cooker for your self-made cook if you want to cook something of your own. So there's the arrangement. This is the sitting space. You are going to have your food. So what do you think? A fully furnished room, home cooked meal, 24/7 security and a perfect hotel-like vibe. All that you are getting at a very affordable price. So WhatsApp us or call us directly in this given number before it gets sold out. No matter whether you are a student or working professional, we have PGs available for everyone. You can see all the tech park. You can see the tech park is right there. It's just walking distance. We also have metro connectivity. So just in case if you're looking for a PG or a flat which is just near metro, we have it sorted for you. You just need to call or WhatsApp us. That's it.